Hey everyone, Train Guy 1969 here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the newest locomotive in my collection. This is a Rapido F59PH in the Go Transit livery. I received this particular locomotive this year for Christmas. It was part of the Rapido Holiday Surprise package. My wife picked that up and I said to her, hey, you don't have to give me everything. It's pretty expensive. We don't usually spend that much on each other for gifts. So just give me what you'd like to, and the rest you can spread out over other holidays coming up in the near future. But my wife decided to surprise me with the locomotive, which was totally great. I do have a couple other Go Transit locomotives, one being, I believe it's a Pemco F7, and the other one is it's another one, it's a Walthers F59PH, I believe it is. But this is my first Rapido locomotive. That mystery box is a great thing. You get well over $300 worth of merchandise for only $299.99. I think the value when looking at everything is probably closer to $500. And like I said, this is my first Rapido. I've been wanting to get a Rapido locomotive for a lot of years. They are so nicely done, top of the line with regards to detail. You can look at all the independently applied grab irons and the handrails. Beautiful detailed interior, very prototypical, as are the Rapido locomotives generally speaking. I'll give it a quick turn around here, and there's the back end of it. And the other side, beautifully done. This is a DCC sound system. And if you look here, you look at the underside detailing on Rapido trains, absolutely top notch. A great looking locomotive. Now I'm going to get it lashed up to some Bombardier coaches that I have, and we'll get it running on the track and show you some of its features. And here we are with the Rapido locomotive on the track, and I have it lashed up to some Bombardier coaches. Now, I featured these coaches in other videos. Again, they are unbranded Go Transit, so they're not Athearn, they're not Rapido, they're not Walthers or anyone that I'm aware of. I've tried to figure out who purchased these, or sorry, who made these, but I haven't been able to find anything out about them. But they look good in the little consist we have here, so we're going to get the locomotive started up. You see the ditch lights. Great sounding horn and bell. No problem carrying this small consist. And we'll turn the headlights on by pressing number 10. And there we have the LED lights. The horn again. And we'll bring her up a little faster. It's got good pulling power. Nice thing, it has momentum braking. Very, again, prototypical to the actual locomotives. And once it comes back around the corner here, we'll bring it back into the station. And slow her down and take a closer look at it again. You hear the squeal of the brakes. The number boards light up as the ditch lights, front and back. beautiful locomotive. I'm excited to have this in my collection. Like I said, the very first Rapido one that I have. We'll get her up and running one more time around the track. And there we have it, the Rapido F59PH with its Bombardier coaches. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks once again for watching. If you like what you see, again, please do subscribe. Take care. Have yourselves a great, great day.